Good day, sir. So, this is my session plan. Sa part po ng sector, kinapi ko lang po yung dito po sa may red, yung sa tourism sector. Nalagay ko po tourism and hotel and restaurant. Sa qualification title naman po, yung bread and pastry. Dito po sa NC2 na nabigay sa akin yung part po na bread and pastry NC2. Sa unit of competency naman po, ang nabigay po sa aking title or topic ay Practice Career Professionalism. At sa module title naman po, ginawa ko lang po siyang Practicing Career Professionalism. Ang napunta po sa akin na competency ay basic competencies, yung eto pong 5003-11107 Practice Career Professionalism. Sa part po ng learning outcomes, nilagay ko po yung mga elements. LO1, integrate personal objectives with organizational goals. LO2, set and meet work priorities. LO3, maintain professional growth and development. Tapos dito naman po sa part ng introduction, kinapi ko lang po yung nasa unit descriptor. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes in promoting career growth and advancement. Dito man naman po sa part na to, LO1, integrate personal objectives with organizational goals. Learning content. Yun po ang 1.1, personal growth and the work plans. 1.2, intra and interpersonal relationships. 1.3 ay commitment to the organization. Ang mga methods po ay individual learning. Ang pag-presentation po nito ay read information sheet 3.1.1, personal growth and the work plans. Practice, answer self-check 3.1.1, answer task sheet 3.1.1. Sa feedback naman po, check the answer using answer keys in 3.1.1. Ang mga resources po ay CBLM, desktop, PPT, projector at ang time po 1 hour and 50 minutes. And dito po, methods po ulit, lecture or discussion, viewing PPT presentation while listening in the discussion about personal growth and work plans. Ang practice po ay written or oral questioning. Dito naman sa part ng LO2, set and meet work priorities, learning content 2.1, completing demands 2.2, resources 2.3, practice along economic use and maintenance of equipment and facilities. Ang mga methods po ay individual learning and discussion or lecture. Presentation, read information sheet 3.2.1, completing demands or viewing PPT presentation while listening in the discussion about completing demands. Practice, answer self-check 3.2.1, and written or oral questioning. Sa feedback naman, check the answer using answer key in 3.2.1, resources, CBLM, desktop, PPT, projector, and the time ay 1 hour and 50 minutes. Then, dito po sa part ng learning outcomes 3, maintain professional growth and development. Learning content 3.1, training and career opportunities. 3.2, recognitions. 3.3, licenses and or certifications. Ang mga methods po ulit ay individual learning. Ang presentation na tayo, read information sheet 3.3.1, small brewers are cleaned. And discussion or lecture, ang presentation po nito ay viewing PPT presentation while listening in the discussion about training and career opportunities. Practice, answer self-check 3.3.1 and written or oral questioning. Ang sa feedback naman, Check the answers using answer key in 3.3.1. Ang mga resources ay CBLM, desktop, PPT, and projector. At ang time naman ay 1 hour and 50 minutes. Dito sa part ng assessment, written test, performance test, interview or questioning. Letter D ay teacher, self-reflection of the session. Then, dito sa part na to ko nakuha yung hours. Ang akin na ay 18 hours dahil basic competency lang and then dinivide ko siya. Kaya naging 1 hour and 50 minutes. At dito ko rin kumuha ng methodology na discussion or group discussion. And then yung part na interviewing or questioning. That's all po. Thank you.